Hey travel cruisers, here's a tour of my 2-bedroom suite at the Club Wyndham Oceanside Pier Resort. The room feels more like a condo with a full kitchen, family dining table, living room, ocean view balcony, primary bedroom and bath with jetted hot tub, plus a second bedroom and bath for a family getaway. Very nice. However, it smells like poop, or that sewage smell. So gross. More about that a little later. So if you're thinking about booking this hotel in Oceanside, it is in the perfect location right across from the pier. And if you haven't already, check out the full review of my Oceanside trip here. Okay, let's get into the details of this room. We're on the top floor, the 7th floor, room 718. Very nice. You open the door and there it is. Poop smell, of course. To the left, there is a guest bathroom. The showers have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispensers. And the bathroom also has a washer and dryer with detergent. Great to have if you plan on staying for a few days or more. Across from this bathroom is a guest bedroom. It only has a full bed, which is strange. I think there should have been a queen bed at least. The room has a ceiling fan and a TV. Nice. I like the decor throughout the suite. Surf stuff, beach, nice. Next is the kitchen. Oh, I should have cleaned this up a little, sorry. The kitchen has everything you would need. A full refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher, coffee maker with packs of coffee and a blender, a toaster. The cabinets are stocked with silverware, dishes, glassware, everything you need. So if you're planning on cooking your own food on your Oceanside vacay, you'll have everything you need. This kitchen is very well equipped. Moving into the smallish living room, there is a good-sized dining room table with restaurant-style booth seatings, chair, couch. I think this couch turns into a bed, but I'm not 100% sure. There is a nice-sized TV and a large window with a partial ocean view. Wonderful. The balcony is small with a small table and 2 chairs. It's only a partial ocean view, but it was so great to sit out there and have a drink, stare at the ocean, or into the hotel rooms next door to see how the other half lives. This hotel is the Hyatt Mission Pacific Beach Resort, and they have a happening rooftop bar. So make sure to check that out. Moving on, there is the primary bedroom with ceiling fan, window. The nightstand on both sides of the bed have outlets and USB plugs to charge your phone, watch, or other electronics. Very appreciated. The primary bedroom has a jetted tub. I love that. The walk-in shower was great, but the conditioner and body wash dispensers were empty. Not cool. Oh, the train goes by every few minutes at night. I didn't mind, but it might be annoying for a light sleeper. Okay, back to the TV. There was only basic cable and one HBO channel. Now, we did see a DVD player or maybe a Blu-ray player, so maybe there are movies on DVDs to check out somewhere in the resort. I don't know. I need to mention that this hotel is a timeshare resort, so you will get some timeshare pressure. We rented this room from Vrbo, so we rented directly from the owner. So we didn't get the full timeshare treatment, but they still tried. Okay, let's talk about poop. There was a horrible sewage smell in the suite. Everywhere. Bedroom, living room, kitchen. It was in the reviews for this room, but I didn't think it would be that strong. I closed every drain, but that wasn't it. I think it was in the ventilation or maybe the air conditioning. I don't know. We kept the windows open and I survived, but this was just wrong. I don't know if this is in every room of the hotel or just my room, but OMG. I didn't feel like we could complain to the hotel staff because we were renting this particular room from Vrbo. I mean, they couldn't just move us to a different room. We're only renting this room. I dealt with it, but was unhappy. Okay, let's talk about the resort itself. It's very safe, even at night, just the perfect location. Here is the beautiful lobby with a friendly staff. We had free underground parking with our room. Now, normally this is $40 a night. We got wristband keys that unlock our room and other parts of the resort, like the pool and hot tub. I mean, how great is this? Oh, the Sky Lounge was just down the hall from our room on the 7th floor. You can hang out here. The views are just so great, especially at sunset. They had a printer in this room and a TV, I think books and games and movies too. Very nice. They also had an activity room for kids somewhere, a game room, a gym. Check out the hotel website. They had lots of stuff that we just didn't have time to do. The price for this room on Vrbo was about $130 a night in April on a weekday. I mean, that's a steal. For what you're getting, that's a steal. Now, the weekends and summers will be much, much higher, I'm sure. Hey, travel cruisers, if you like cruises or vacation reviews, please consider subscribing to Travel Cruisers and join in on all the fun. And if you're enjoying this review, hey, maybe a like? Thank you. Okay, let's talk about food. The hotel has a pizza place, Zigzag Pizza, a nice upscale restaurant called 333 Pacific. They have great martinis, steaks, seafood. I mean, top notch. The lobby has a self-serve kiosk for beverages, snacks, frozen food that you can heat up in your room. I had burritos. The prices were way more expensive than I think they should be, but it was very convenient to have this in the lobby. If you want a proper grocery store, you'll have to drive or Uber to the Walmart neighborhood market or maybe the Smart and Final Extra. There was a convenience store close by the hotel, but it was very expensive. Oh, and there's also a liquor store behind the hotel called Bubbles on the Beach. They had everything. This was a very, very nice store, but again, it's very expensive. So if I were you, I would just go to the grocery store and stock up before you get to the hotel. Of course, there are a lot of restaurants and cafes near the hotel. It's just really in the perfect location, right across from the beach and the amazing Oceanside Pier. So if you are planning an oceanside getaway and you have no sense of smell, then I would highly recommend the Wyndham Oceanside Pier Resort. I mean, I had a great time. Also, I don't know if every room in the hotel has that poop smell or if it was just my room. I mean, I doubt if it could be the entire hotel. If you read the reviews and it's mentioned, then believe it. And check out my full video review of Oceanside. It's a lot of fun. Okay, travel cruisers, that's it for this room review. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.